Jerron with Power and Leadership Enterprise. Today's topic is, what is a business plan? So we're just going to jump right into this. A business plan is just that. It's a plan that gets you from point A to point B with the goals that you have in mind with your business. It's sometimes companies that's been out for a long time, they have business plans that could be 20, 30, sometimes even hundreds of pages. It's only because they've been out and there's a lot of nuances that go into the business and a lot of advantages that they are taking. There are things that they are taking advantage of. That's just basically it. Whereas if you're just starting out, your business plan can be really simple. It could be just a quick, I'm going to do this. It's going to have this result real quick, and it doesn't have to be really extensive. So it's just a plan for your business. Once you start, all right, now what do I do? Then you have a business plan. Out here you have experts such as myself that know the different details and know the different things that's going to get you from point A to point B. But it's all in how you envision your business, or if you're modeling it from another business. Okay, so some important sections are the executive summary. Okay, just basically detailing what you're set out to do, what's your mindset, what's basically your purpose of the business. Then you have your mission statement. Basically, all right, now that I know what I'm going to be doing, this is going to be the overall goal. This is the mission for the business to accomplish, let alone sales. Okay, you have your market research, just understanding what industry you're in, what market you are in, and how you're going to be a benefit and how you're going to differentiate from other businesses. Okay, it's good in your business plan to have different goals, short term and long term. Okay, and in having those goals, objectives, and just different strategies. Okay, it's good that when you have your business plan that you are reading it each and every day, that you're not just writing the goals down and hoping that they'll happen, that you're visualizing them, and that in due time that what you imagine in the future is to come about in the present. Just a couple of things to look forward to or to think about when you are making your business plan. I hope all the best for you, and I'll catch you on the flip side.